Welcome, engineers. Today we're looking at the Rydberg Equation Interactive Calculator, a specialized tool that solves atomic transition calculations, essential for spectroscopy, laser design, and quantum engineering applications. When atoms transition between energy levels, they emit or absorb electromagnetic radiation at precise wavelengths. This calculator handles those complex calculations instantly. Let's examine the inputs. First, you'll see the calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate wavelength from energy levels. Calculate frequency from energy levels. Calculate energy of transition. Calculate wave number from energy levels. Calculate final energy level N2. And calculate initial energy level N1. For our demonstration, we'll select Calculate wavelength from energy levels. Next is atomic number Z. This defaults to 1 for hydrogen, but accepts any positive integer for other elements. Then we have initial level N1, labeled as the higher energy level, and final level N2, the lower energy level. There's also a wavelength lambda input field in nanometers, used when calculating energy levels rather than wavelength. Let's work through an example. For a hydrogen atom transitioning from the third to second energy level, enter Z equals 1, initial level N1 equals 3, final level N2 equals 2. Click Calculate. The results show wavelength at 656.3 nanometers. This is the famous hydrogen alpha line. You'll also see frequency at 4.57 times 10 to the 14th hertz, energy at 1.89 electron volts, and wave number at 15,233 per centimeter. Each output represents the same transition in different units: wavelength for optical filters, frequency for RF applications, energy for semiconductor band gaps, and wave number for infrared spectroscopy. Critical tip: N1 must always be greater than N2 for emission calculations. Reversing these gives absorption instead of emission. Find the link in the description below.